So I'm gonna do the light show thing. Says you get out of the thing and close all the doors and park outside. So you can stop it by opening the doors or using the trunk button. But okay, so when you close it, and then it'll start playing like all the windows will like all the windows rolled down. Yeah. And then it's gonna start opening the trunk. It's gonna like flash all these headlights. And some models where the cars on the Model X where the doors can open, it starts opening all the doors and closing them. And the charge port will start opening and closing and doing some stuff. And they flash the lights in like different patterns. So
I don't think any of the car has this.
Yeah, I don't think so. So it plays the sound like inside and outside the car. Yeah. And then they'll start opening like the charge port and moving all the windows up and down and stuff. But right now it's just playing the music. So they're playing it. The tail lights too. And then they flash all the tail lights. So to me, this is a good feature to test if all your lights are working. Yeah. Like if it's been a while and you're like, I wonder if all my tail lights and brake lights and license plate lights and everything's working. I feel like this is like a good like test to see all the moving parts, all the flashing stuff. See the mirrors start opening and closing. So it's kind of like it tests all the motors for you. Tests all the lights, all the other things, and yeah. And then all the windows keep going up and down, and the charge port like flashes. It flashes like rainbow colors.
That was good.
Yeah. Hey, it didn't finish closing my trunk. Oh, okay, it's closing.
No,
So close the trunk and it closed all the windows for me.
Oh, wow, great.
That's cool. Oh, but